Do you aspire to understand the secrets behind secure communications? Ever wondered how our online transactions remain confidential and safe? Or are you an IT professional aiming to deepen your understanding of encryption and decryption? Welcome to the Cryptography and Secure Communications training. In this immersive training, dive deep into the realm of codes, ciphers, and the protection of information. This training covers everything from ensuring data confidentiality to the applications of cryptography in network security and cloud technology. The best part? Our hands-on course project bridges theory and practice, empowering you to launch and succeed in any industry. Our learning environment is tailored to provide personalized support to each and every student. Our dedicated team of educators and tutors is just a click away, ensuring you get the guidance you need to excel in your studies. Are you prepared to level up your skills? Book a free consulting meeting with our knowledgeable experts and explore the best path for your growth.